Hello, welcome back to Lioness on the Rise. In this video, I finally got the nerve to go ahead and braid my hair. I have been putting this off for too long. So again, here it is. I did some knotless box braids. And I did it with a mixture of blonde and I believe a number 4. And I usually would braid my hair in the bathroom in the big old mirror with the bright lights. But again, honestly, I did not feel like doing my hair. So I was kind of like sitting at my dining room table and just looking at some videos on YouTube just to kill time. Good length to my hair, but again, as I did share another video, a recent video on my postpartum hair loss, my hair is not as thick as it used to be. So this is really my goal, just trying to get it back to its fullness and thickness. And as needed, I will go in and trim out the hairs to help reduce the shedding and things like that, so I can get it back to how thick it once was. So the blonde was only supposed to be in the back and the number 4 at the top. But looking at this bundle I had left, it didn't quite work out that way. sisters from church needed a quick do, so I paused my half done hair so I could get her situated, and I jumped right back to mine once we finished. So yeah, this is where you see I threw that blonde up there to finish up the center, and it actually didn't look too bad. The only thing I couldn't do braiding my own hair was trying to do the tuck method. I don't know if anyone is able to braid their own hair and do that, but I could not. So I didn't make a big deal out of it. I just threw it up there and, let it be as it was. And if you're like, is that dandruff? So if you see a few flakes up there, I did a mask on my hair a few days prior, and I chose not to shampoo the mask out. And I didn't realize till when I started braiding part of my hair, I was seeing some residue from the mask. So a little bit throughout when I was parting my hair, I was trying to get the flakes out. But no, it's not dandruff. It was just from a mask that I did. And I like the results of it, but I probably should have put a little bit more oil on my scalp afterwards. In this hair bottle, I'm just spraying a concoction of olive oil and some coconut oil just to saturate my hair and my ends. And I caught one of those braids that I did not like it all the way to the end, so I'm just unloosening it and gonna redo this one braid that I peeped that I really didn't like too much. Like super tired, so I'm just going back, braiding up some of the ends that unraveled a little bit so I can get ready to dip in hot water. So this is it. Just drying up a little bit, get some of that moisture off, and this is the final results.